Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So, do you remember last week when I was like, oh, I'm not gonna like shop at the VIB sale anymore, like this is it for me, I'm done. That was a big fat lie. Okay, let's just start there. Since that video has been posted, I have placed another Sephora order online, been to Sephora twice, and been to Ulta in the meantime, or in the middle of all of that, and this is everything I currently have to share with you guys. I'm not proud of this, but here we are, and it is what it is. And like I said last week, you guys need to accept me for who I am, and I'm just a shopaholic and whatever. All right, so without further ado, let's get into this second haul in less than a week because I just can't help myself. Okay, so if you guys are interested, go ahead, give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe, and let's jump into the video. I'm just gonna start by saying that I have a big wedding to go to this week. My boyfriend's sister is getting married. Like, hello, of course I'm gonna be going crazy shopping like the week before to make sure that I have everything that I need, that she's gonna have everything that she needs. Like, I am just trying to hold it down for everyone, you know what I mean? But all right, so let's get into this haul. Okay, so I'm gonna start with these three products because they're not in their boxes, they're actually right in front of me. So I was in Ulta, and honestly, I went in there to look for this foundation brush that I had from Morphe that I frigging loved, and my sister just took it upon herself to take it back with her to Florida and just is keeping it hostage. So I'm never actually going to see that brush ever again. So I went to see if they still made that brush, which they don't. But I got sidetracked by the packaging of these vegan brushes by Morphe, right? And I was like, hold on, I have not seen really anybody talk about them except for the contour one. So I was like, let me pick them up. So I picked up 3 of them, and I've already used them, and let me just tell you, I love them. So I picked up the foundation brush. This is the Y102. It is the perfect, literally the perfect foundation brush. It's dense, but it doesn't absorb product, and it really pushes in your foundation, and I am loving it. And then I picked up the contour brush, which is the Y103, and this is perfect for blending out contour. I literally am obsessed with it. And then the concealer brush, I don't really like it for blending out my concealer, but what I do like it for is for getting right in here. You know how sometimes when you have eyeshadow on, then you do your foundation and concealer after, you can never really get like the perfect blend in your inner corner? This brush is the best one for it, and honestly, looking at it right now, it would be perfect for a nose contour. This brush I feel like you can do a lot of things with, so I'm not disappointed in it. I just won't use it to fully blend out my concealer, if that makes sense. So moving on, I picked this up. This is the One Size On Till Dawn mattifying setting spray. So I bought this because you get 2 of them for $39, then it was 20% off. And honestly, I'm a dry girl, so I don't know why I really thought that a mattifying setting spray would really be like the way for me, you know what I mean? I honestly bought this because I was like, let me test it out and see if it'll make my makeup look good and last all day, because if it does, then I'm going to use it for the wedding, because I'm going to be wearing makeup for like 12 to 14 hours, I feel like. So definitely wanted to try it. Tried it, wasn't obsessed with it, but I think it was the combination of the foundation that I was wearing underneath it. So I do want to try it again before the wedding, before I make my final decision if I'm going to return it or keep it. But yeah, got that. Then I picked up this. This is the BRIOGEO Don't Despair Repair Travel Mask thing. So it comes with the shampoo, the conditioner, and then the deep conditioning mask. And I really love BRIOGEO, so I was like, I need to pick up a good travel hair care thing, you know. And then, where is this foundation? It's not in the box. Okay, this is the DIOR Forever Skin Glow Foundation. I actually just filmed a Get Ready With Me for YouTube using this foundation. That's the foundation that I'm wearing right now. And honestly, I am loving it so far. I don't want to say too many things about it because it's honestly like a too good to be true foundation. I've been having some serious issues with foundations lately, so I've been on the hunt for like a good one that's going to last me. So this one, so far, so good. I am really, really into it. It's actually on my vanity, but I don't feel like getting up and showing you guys. So I'm sorry. You're just going to get the box for that one, okay? Then we have, this is the Mercier Translucent Setting Powder in the shade Rose. It's the setting powder I have underneath my eyes right now, and honestly, I am really into this. So it is a pink setting powder. I don't think it's super, like, brightening and super pink. It definitely gives like a hint of pink, but it's not super pink like the Huda Beauty one. I really like both of them, but this one I'm really enjoying so far. This is only my second time trying it, so I need to try it a few more times before I'm like fully committed to it, but so far, so good. Alright, and then up next, I picked up lashes from Kiss. These are my favorite lashes of all time. This is in the style Jubilee. So these are really big lashes, but what I like to do, I like to cut like 4 of them off and only use the outer portion to give me that kind of like cat eye wing, and it's not wing, cat eye lash. And it's easier for me because it's really hard for me to get in my inner corner. Like it's almost impossible for me. So I was like, what is my next best thing? So that was when I was like, let me cut these and see how that works. And honestly, ever since I've done that, I've been able to wear lashes so much more because of the fact that I'm not using a whole lash. So I kind of just turned this into like my own little half lash, and I love them. So if you want good half lashes or just want good lashes, these ones are freaking amazing, okay? I picked up a salicylic acid cleanser from the INKEY list. I really enjoy this cleanser. It's one of my favorites. So I was like, I really need to restock on it because I haven't used it in a really long time and I really love it. So speaking of foundations, I picked up the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation in the shade 4.5 Vienna. I used to really like this foundation, and then for some reason, I don't know if it's because the shade that I own is too light for me, but it just wasn't doing it for me, okay? So I picked up another shade, and I'm actually going to try this foundation out tomorrow. Today I'm just still testing out the DIOR one, but you guys know this foundation. Everybody talks about it. Everybody loves it. Me, I did love it, and then something about it just kind of like threw me off and rubbed me the wrong way. So I'm revisiting it tomorrow, okay? Picked up a Too Faced Born This Way liner. If you guys saw my video, my haul last week, then you know that I did place a Sephora order online, and this was in that order, so it finally came. So got another one of those. And then, ooh, I picked this up from Ulta. This is the Makeup Revolution Ultra Cream Bronzer in the shade Light. This, I feel like, is all over TikTok. I literally feel like everybody talks about this and loves this, and it was only $8, so this was really impulsive of me, but it is the bronzer I'm wearing today, and it's so good. It's honestly better than the Charlotte Tilbury, you know, her big cream bronzer that everybody loves. That bronzer is nice, but I did wind up returning it because it just didn't like do it for me. This one is 10 times better. It's way creamier. It doesn't look as harsh. It looks more like skin. It just is a more natural, more affordable like looking bronzer, so love this. 10 out of 10 if you want a good affordable cream bronzer. Then I re-upped on my favorite lash glue. If you guys have not tried this lash glue, what are you doing? If you wear black liner like me and you don't like a clear lash glue because you can kind of like see the lash glue on your lash, you know what I'm talking about. This is the Active Duo Sweatproof Long Wear Water Resistant Lash Glue. Honestly, the best one, and I love it because it's black, you guys, and it's so easy to work with. It's literally one of the best. So if you need a good affordable lash glue, check that out. I restocked on it because I still have some of my other one, but I'm going to my boyfriend's sister's wedding this week and I don't want to take like an old lash glue. I want to take a newer one. I don't know, I'm crazy. In my brain it makes sense, but when I say it out loud, it doesn't really make sense as to why I wouldn't take the one that I already have, but to me it makes perfect sense, okay? Then, you guys already know this if you watched my last haul. This was in my Sephora order online. This is the PRADA Paradoxe Travel Perfume. I did need another travel perfume. I actually didn't need a travel perfume because I bought one last week. But I just picked this up because, I don't know, and I have no regrets, honestly. No regrets on re-upping on this because I love this perfume. And then I picked up the Makeup Forever Mist and Fix number 2. I don't know. Oh, O2. Okay, got it. The Mix and Fix Makeup Setting Spray, long lasting and moisturizing up to 12-hour wear. So this, believe it or not, used to be my holy grail setting spray like 3 to 5 years ago. I used to use this all the time, and when I was in the Sephora checkout the other day, I was like, you know what? Let me give this another go because even though I know what setting spray I'm probably going to use for the wedding, let me try this one because I know I used to love it, and so far it is honestly the one I'm probably going to bring with me because it's so good. So yeah, no regrets on re-upping on this. And then I think there's, so I did restock on my favorite mascara. This is the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. It's not in the packaging because I needed to use it. This is the best mascara for your lower lashes. I have used this for probably 6 or 7 years, and I've never ever found another lower lash mascara that compares to this. So definitely if you guys need a good lower lash mascara, that's a picture of the wand. It's so precise and it's so good, and it's actually really good for your upper and your lower lashes. So 10 out of 10 recommend this. I cannot say enough good things about it. It's so good. Then these are the last two items. This is the OUAI texturizing hairspray. Again, another item for traveling. And then this, I was so happy when I saw this on the Sephora point sample. This is the kale, green tea, and spinach vitamins superfood cleanser. Wow, that was a mouthful. So I was really excited because I wanted to take the one that I bought last week with me on vacation, but I was like, that's so big. I don't want to take that one. So this is literally the perfect size for traveling. So this is what I'm going to be bringing with me when I travel this week. But yeah, that is literally everything that I've picked up in the meantime since I posted and filmed that other video last week. This is everything that I've purchased since. And I don't think I'm going to be purchasing anything else. If I do, there will be, of course, another haul, because why would you guys not want to see what else I bought, because I'm a complete lunatic and just can't stop shopping ever. But yeah, so that is everything I have for you guys in this haul. Hopefully this is my last haul, because I really don't need to buy anything else. Like, I'm good on what I have. But yeah, so as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next makeup haul. No, I'm just kidding. I will catch you guys in my next makeup video. Bye.